But I wanted to start, documenting this journey. This is my first Subaru I've ever owned. I don't know. I enjoy it. It's quick. It's the first turbo vehicle I've ever owned. Turn you all this way. First turbo vehicle I've ever owned. So yeah, I just want to document this journey to see how far I can take this thing. Probably after this package, after this item is installed, my next thing is probably going to be lowering springs, or like some sort of system, maybe coils in, I don't know, whatever, we'll figure it out. But something to make the car set a little lower. And after that, I definitely want to get the stage 1 kit for the car, which includes the Cobb access port, and to get rid of that thing, get rid of that airbox. Yeah, and I have a few little things after that I want to do. I'd like to get a different top mount intercooler. Definitely want to get a J-pipe, and then the rest of the exhaust, that's a guarantee thing that I got to do. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this package I got. All right, to make this easier, I'll go ahead and pop the bumper off. So you have one pop clip right here. So what you do, it has a center in there. So what you want to do is just pop it. Get something small enough. I just use this little Phillips. So that one's popped. You can really see it. Do the other side. This one you can see a lot easier. So this focuses. Yeah, so you see the center. So you just want to get something in there to pop it. Excuse me while I try to record this and work at the same time. Pop that. Okay. So we'll come back to this one. So apparently under here there's 9 pop clips. They say it's best if you there's one. You can see right there. This one. And then you got this one. This one. Just 3. Trying to see if there's anything else. 4. 5. That's right there. 6, 7, 8. I'm sure I'm missing one somewhere, but they say there's 9 pop clips underneath. We got the 2 pop clips on each side. So then on top you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10 millimeter bolts you'll need to take out. 1, 2, 3 pop clips on the top that you'll take off as well. So let's go ahead and get it to work, baby. All right, so now with these, you'll want to pop this clip off this side here, the one that we popped earlier, just a little one. And now to get these back in, right, you'll want to make sure, like, once we get everything done and put these back in, the little nipple there, nipple, you want to put it in with it sticking out. And once you stick it back in, you'll just push that nipple and it'll lock it again. Just FYI, I didn't know that. So now what you'll do, there's some clips here that you grab here and pull them. See, there's 3 clips. All right. So those are loose. All right, so there are exactly 9 of these pop clips along the bottom. Just wanted to make that clear. All right, so next thing, last thing, we just pull this baby out. All right. Make sure this side's popped. Pop, pop, pop. Also, you want to make sure the fog lights are still plugged in. So just pull this about on like 6 to 10 inches. Make sure you get those fog lights unplugged. Now, next is clean this puppy off, and then getting the lip installed. I will be right back. Water break.